temperature being 12, I thought it'll be a little tough stepping out, but looks like manageable. It's okay. I mean, you can wear a nice jacket, but cover your head and your ears. That'll help. And just as an additional safeguard, I'm just going to be having some food to eat. I had food in the Langar, the community kitchen in the Harmandir Sahib. Very nice food, very simple food, but very nice food. Everyone is given a plate, and then you have to go to the place where you sit down to have a meal. As far as I know, the menu is the same. It is some rice, roti, sabzi, dal, and kheer, and some water. It's a very simple meal but very tasty. I found it very, very tasty. Everyone sits down, it's all the same for everyone. And after your meal, you pick up your plate and hand it over to volunteers who will clean the plates. If you want, you can volunteer to clean the plates, prepare the food. There are many things that you can do if should you feel like doing so. I was walking outside the temple complex when I came across these buses, hop on, hop off buses, very eye-catching. And then I learned that these buses go to Wagah border, that is the Atari end of the India-Pakistan border, where you have the beating retreat ceremony daily. Great atmosphere, really fantastic experience. The journey from Wagah to Amritsar was really difficult. Very cold breeze. Open top bus, what else do you expect? So now, actually, after watching all the hard work by all the BSF personnel, I feel really, really hungry. So let's go have something to eat. First, a meal, Kashmiri meal, followed by dessert. So I had to try dessert, and this is a special Faluda kulfi with rabdi. All I can say is awesome stuff. When you visit restaurants in Bangalore, I often see this on the menu, Amritsari kulcha. So today I want to see exactly what this kulcha is. So I don't know exactly where this is. I'm just following the directions on Google Map.
Turn left onto Lakshmansar Road.
It's a small place, but neat, and you can bring your family here. The only thing is, if you're coming in your own vehicle, it's located in a very narrow street. And they have only one item on the menu, which is a kulcha. That keeps it really simple. I've tried this kulcha, even the Amritsari kulcha, on the menu of several restaurants in Bengaluru. But this one here is way out of the... I don't know whether it's a stuffing or the freshness. There's something very tasty about this. And I would say the journey, the walk, it's about 1 kilometer from the Golden Temple. It's totally worth it. When I started out for Pahalwan kulcha, I was very excited about it. And then the walk of this 1 kilometer, during that walk I saw so many other places offering kulcha and paratha, various other food. I began wondering whether it was worth walking all the way to try this kulcha at Pahalwan kulcha. And then after having the kulcha, Believe me, this kulcha is too good. This kulcha is too good. Better than anything I have ever tasted. Walking around Amritsar is a very good way to explore the city. Actually, most of the landmarks are located in and around the Golden Temple. So that makes it pretty simple. If you're one of those people who loves to walk, I think that's a great way to explore the city. Just look at the buzz around here. So in this quest to try some local food, I'm going to head out to a place called Makhan Fish and Chicken. The thing is that, after the breakfast at Pailwan Kulcha, I think, I need to build up an appetite to have this fish and chicken meal. So I think I'm going to walk all the way to this place from the Golden Temple. It's about 3 kilometers. So that way I'll also get to see the city. So let's take a walk. So I've reached Makhan Fish, which is the name of the restaurant. But I'm a little early. However, they have offered to serve me their specialities, their fish specialities. So let's check them out. They have 2 options: fish singara and fish soha. So I'm going for the singara because that is supposed to be soft, whereas soha is supposed to be a little crisp. Both will be fried variety. So my fish has arrived. I've ordered a kulcha to go with this. I think it's something to do with the oil. This is very different. Very nice. When I say different, I mean very nice. Well, I like the food, and you can tell, right? So this is a place which is supposed to have good chicken. They have lots of other stuff, but I've been told that the chicken is very good. So that's what we're going to try today. Bira chicken. Hot and juicy. Superb. Worth the drive. So both the places that have been recommended today, Bira chicken and the Makhan fish, they're close by, about 3 kilometers from the Golden Temple. So one good thing is they are next to each other, almost. But the tough part is that you will not be able to eat at both the places. Both have got full meals. You can have a full meal in each place. So you have to choose between the two. And I really like the food at Makhan fish. And I think the food at Bira chicken is also good. So it's going to be a tough choice. You can choose one of them, or maybe, if you're here for a long time, try both places.